What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Mr. G.D.I.Y. back with another video. It's been a minute. A lot of people been asking where I been, where the Monte Carlo at, do I still got it, have I did upgrades on it. You think you know? You have no idea. This is the life of Mr. G.D.I.Y. Now get the fucking camera out of my face. Alright, so first off, we're gonna start on where I've been. I've been working, man. I've been working, staying busy, dog. Sometimes messing with these cars, bro, we get tired. A lot of people don't tell you that when you get tired, you get fed up. You just lose interest. I lost interest. You know, just putting money in stuff, you know, things happening, and you just lose interest sometimes. Sometimes you just gotta take a step back. So that's pretty much what I did. I took a step back. But I didn't know it had been a year, bro. A year is crazy. A year is crazy work, bro. I didn't know it had been this long. It felt like yesterday I had just doggone painted the XS, you know what I'm saying? And come to find out, it's been a year. I just looked at my view. I said, damn, it's been a year? Fuck. So look, man, you know, about the car, man, listen. I done had a lot of situations with the car, man. I put it like this. I tell you, we just gonna go and get it on out the way right now. So, number one, I bought a supercharger. If I can find a video, if I didn't delete it.
Oh, boy, what? Boy, do y'all see this, boy? Boy, look at this, boy. Boy, look at that. Do you know what that is? Hey, in the comments, man. Come on, everybody in the comments, man. I need people in the comments. Write in the comments, man. Type win. That's a win. W for win in the comments. W for win in the comments, man.
I had a supercharger. I got a supercharger. I bought all the parts and everything to put it on the car. I recorded a video for it. I'm not sure if I still got it in my camera roll, but I recorded a video saying how I had the supercharger. I'm about to put it on the car, blah, blah, blah. I did that, end up not doing that, end up selling the supercharger because I lost interest in it, and I'll tell you why. Before I got that supercharger, I had somebody try to scam me for buying a supercharger. So I got, like, they tried to scam me. That shit didn't work, but they tried to scam me. So I had to wait about a month. And PayPal had my money up, thousands of dollars up in the air. You know what I'm saying? I didn't know if I was gonna get it because every time I sent information of me not getting what I was supposed to get, this scammer or try to put stuff up like they had done. You know what I mean? Sent me the supercharger and sent me my money back. All that bullshit. So I went through that shit. And when I finally got my money back and I got the supercharger, bought the supercharger and all that stuff, got the parts and all that, as soon as I got all that stuff, I lost interest, bro. I just was burnt out. Thousands. I just pulled in that more like gasoline, you hear me? Poured gasoline on the fire. And I just burnt out, bro. So I sold that, held my money, and just did other stuff, man. But, you know, was about to sell the car. There's all kind of stuff, man. So sometimes that happen. People don't tell you about that. They don't tell you about them struggles, man. When you go through stuff out here, just trying to build a car, just trying to enjoy it, man. You know, I was gonna do that and go fast. I was, you know what I mean? Right now, I was supposed to be in mine flying, supercharged up. You know what I'm saying? I was gonna record content on it too. But you know, sometimes things don't go like that, and that's cool. Other than that, you know, the car just sat, man. The car just sat until the other day. Maybe like 2 weeks ago. I seen some videos. I seen 87 SS boy. I seen him doing something. You know, I seen him messing with his 6.0. Just the other day, I seen him trying to pulling the 6.0 out of the junkyard. What's going on, my boy? And I seen, believe it or not, I watched Dunk racing. So I watched Dunks. So I seen Lace talking about it. You know, I just seen Lace Coke I seen all these boys going through the problem that they going through, and they spending money on an extra higher level than what I'm, you know what I'm saying? My little thousands, I'm crying about my little thousands, I'm pissed off. But they spending way more. So I seen they went through stuff, you know what I'm saying? So I'm like, I started getting that little itch. So, I ordered a few things, you know what I'm saying? And I felt like I just pick back up the camera and talk about it. So here we are, man. Here we are. So I'm finna show y'all what y'all been looking for, how it stands right now. At the end of the day, I sold it. It's sold. The car is sold. I got rid of it. I'm just playing. There you go, man. My car is right here. I just pumped up the tires, dog. I ain't gonna lie to you. Car been sitting right here painted all summer. But we about to change that. I just pumped up the tires, dog. You know what I'm saying? That's the air hose. Pumped up the tires. I fixed my little cord, man. Don't mind these wires, man. Whatever. That's just wires, whatever. But anyway, I fixed the cord for my little power to my little amp and my subwoofer back there. Just a little stuff, man. About to put it back on the road. Try to get some little content. Pump my tires up, you know what I'm saying? Order some new stuff and we're gonna see. I got the itch, man. You know what I'm saying? I got the itch, bro. So I'm gonna try to I'm going to put out new content. I got some coming in. I seen a couple people do this. And I wanted to be one of the first people a long time ago. But like I said, once I lost interest on it, I didn't feel like doing none of that stuff. I ain't wanna do none of it, but I just ain't want to be dealt with it, man. When folks, when you trying to do something and you got a whole bunch of stuff going on, parts this, parts that, people trying to steal all that, it kind of make you think if it's really worth it, you know what I'm saying? This used to be my dream car, you know what I'm saying, until I got it and had it for so long, and you know what I mean? Sometimes they try to burn your dream, but anyway, I ain't gonna be long-winded, but I just want to let y'all know I'm back, bro. I got some stuff going on, and I'm trying, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna try to do better, put more videos out, and you know what I'm saying? Make this channel grow, man. So make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, you know what I'm saying? Holla at your boy. We out, man. Sometimes shops get bagged up, you don't know where to start. You gotta do it yourself. It's your boy, Mr. G.D.I.Y. And we out. Now get that fucking camera out of my face.